The fastest long trip that I've ever done in my life.
It's gonna be freaking hard.
It's gonna be rainy, we know that for sure.
How was it? Would you do it again?
Questionable.
And there's Derek. Look at that, see the overlook. Brigham's gonna catch a cow.
All right, top of day 2, 39:53.
34.5 minutes.
37 minutes.
29 minutes to the top.
High chews, never ending climbs, a lot of mud.
And raisins.
I think today's gonna be problems for me. It's like I can't get any oxygen in.
Twisted my ankle pretty good on the way back down.
Ended up putting my trekking poles in my backpack on the way down, and one of them kind of flew out the top.
It's legit snowing right now, and it's August.
I think you can really see it, but this is all super glue.
My arms and my face are tingling.
I think that's the hardest part so far of this fast pack, is waking up and knowing it's time to go do it again.
Injury, sickness, snowstorms, thunderstorms, pushing our bodies to the limit. This is the Hardline Challenge, and it's about to get started. Earlier this year, we decided to do some big bucket list hikes, along with some training to prepare for some of that, and we wrapped that all up into a 5-stage Hardline Challenge. Each stage in this challenge is going to increase in difficulty and weed people out if they're not able to accomplish them. They don't get to go to the next stage and work towards this bucket list hike. Stage 1, we wanted to test people's baseline. So we actually went to a local trail here called the Sea Trail. It's about 8+ miles with 2,200 feet of elevation gain, and we fast packed that trail just to see where everyone's at. You're probably asking at this point, what the heck is fast packing? Well, essentially what it is you're hiking the uphills, you're jogging the flats, and you're running down the hills. It's another way of training that we've started to use, as well as just another way to get out an ultralight backpack. So stage 2 is all about stamina. We picked another loop trail here that's about 5 miles and 1,000 feet in elevation, and we have each person participating run that loop 3 days in a row. But not only that, we increase the weight of their pack every single day to try to simulate what it's gonna feel like getting up tired the next day and tired the next day. That was stage 2, and then we rolled into stage 3, where we wanted to test elevation. So we headed up to the biggest peak around here, which is over 11,000 feet, and we put together an 18-mile trip where we were really shaking out all of our gear, as well as just making sure that all of us could handle elevation, because we had some big elevation to come in these later stages. Stage 4 is really where the rubber hit the road. We went on a 60-mile fast pack. We were averaging over 20 miles a day. We're getting way above tree line. We're battling thunderstorms. It was pretty wild, and we definitely pushed our bodies to the limit. All of this culminated in stage 5, which is when we headed up to the Uinta Highland Trail. Now, this trail has gotten a little bit of fame lately, but it's been something that's been on our bucket list for quite a while. It's over 104 miles. 80+% of it is over 10,000 feet. We had to do 20 miles a day because we only had 5 days, 4 nights on the trail to accomplish it. Not only that, but when you are hiking at that elevation, there's always an element of thunderstorms and other weather that can have an impact. So we needed to be ready to potentially make up miles some days or alter our plans, which meant we needed to be physically and mentally prepared to accomplish that. All right, so that's it. That's the Hardline Challenge. This is gonna be an epic series. It's something we've never done before here on YouTube. You need to make sure you've got your notifications turned on for our channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification, because these are gonna be videos you don't wanna miss. You're gonna learn stuff from them. You're gonna be very entertained by them. And overall, it's just gonna be a good time. So make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in a couple of days. These are rolling out every Friday until we're through all 5 stages.
Joke's on taste, and we're gonna go home and get some breakfast.
Well, I just passed Darren and Brigham. They're killing it. I'm pretty nervous about my back on the way down. Thought I was doing pretty well, but those guys have caught me now. So from 1st to 3rd, it's about to go from 1st to 5th.